Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. I am so happy to spend this time with you today. Today, we are going to learn how to shop. We are going to talk about buying clothes. We all need clothes. We need shirts, pants, and jackets. But shopping in a new language can be difficult. You might need a different size. You might want a different color. In this lesson, we will follow a story about Sophie. Sophie needs new clothes for her new job. We will learn how to ask for help in a store, how to talk about sizes, and how to pay at the register. I will speak very slowly. I will use simple words and easy sentences. After the story, we will practice speaking together in our Repeat After Me section. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's go shopping. It is Saturday morning. Sophie is at the mall. The mall is very big and bright. Sophie is looking for a clothing store called The Fashion Spot. Sophie has a new job. She starts her new job on Monday. She needs a professional outfit. She wants a nice blouse and a pair of dark blue pants. Sophie finds the store. She walks inside. The store smells like new fabric. There are many rows of colorful clothes. Sophie looks at the shirts. She sees a beautiful white blouse. She touches the fabric. It is very soft. A shop assistant walks toward her. He has a friendly smile. The assistant says,
"Hello, can I help you find something?"
Yes, please. I like this white blouse. Do you have it in a medium?
The assistant looks at the tag.
"No, I am sorry. This one is a small. Let me check the back room."
Sophie waits. She looks at the pants. She finds a pair of dark blue pants. They look very nice. The assistant comes back.
"Good news. I found a medium white blouse for you."
Thank you. Can I try these on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are in the back on the left.
Sophie walks to the fitting rooms. She goes inside a small room with a large mirror. First, she puts on the white blouse. She looks in the mirror. The blouse is very pretty, but it is too big. The sleeves are too long. Sophie takes off the blouse and puts on the blue pants. She looks in the mirror again. The pants are too small. She cannot close the button. Sophie feels a little sad. She thinks,
I need a different size.
Sophie walks out of the fitting room. She sees the assistant again.
"How are the clothes?"
Sophie says,
The blouse is too big. Do you have a small?
"Yes, we do."
And the pants are too small. Do you have a large?
"I will check for you."
A few minutes later, the assistant returns with the new sizes. Sophie goes back into the fitting room. She tries on the small blouse. It fits perfectly. The shoulders are right. The length is right. She tries on the large pants. They fit perfectly, too. They are very comfortable. Sophie looks in the mirror and smiles. She feels confident. She thinks,
I am ready for my new job.
Sophie takes the clothes to the front of the store. She sees a sign that says cashier. This is where she must pay. The cashier says,
Hello, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
That will be $60.
Sophie opens her purse. She takes out her credit card. Sophie puts her card into the machine. Sophie signs her name on the screen. He puts the blouse and the pants into a brown paper bag. Sophie walks out of the store. She is very happy. She has a beautiful new outfit. She practiced her English and she got exactly what she needed. Now, she is ready for Monday.
Yes, of course. Please sign here. Here is your receipt. You too. Enjoy your new clothes.
Can I pay by card? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now, my friend, let's practice your speaking. I will say a sentence from the story. I will pause, and you must repeat the sentence out loud. Speak slowly and clearly. Let's begin. I need new clothes. Where's the clothing store? Can I help you? I am looking for a blouse. Do you have this in a medium? This shirt is too small. This shirt is too big. Where are the fitting rooms? I want to try this on. It fits perfectly. How much does it cost? Can I pay by credit card? I would like a receipt, please. Thank you for your help. Now, I will tell the key parts of the story again. This time, I will speak a little bit faster, like a normal conversation. Don't worry, just listen and try to understand the flow. Sophie went to the mall because she needed a new outfit for her job. She went into a store and found a white blouse and blue pants. The shop assistant helped her find the right sizes. At first, the blouse was too big and the pants were too small. But Sophie asked for different sizes and tried them on in the fitting room. The new sizes fit perfectly. She was very happy. She went to the cashier, paid $60 with her credit card, and took her receipt. She is now ready for her first day of work on Monday. You did a wonderful job today. Shopping for clothes is a great way to practice your English. You learned about sizes, fitting rooms, and how to pay. Every time you practice, you get better and better. I am very proud of you. Thank you for joining me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If you like this lesson, please click the like button. It helps our channel very much. Share this video with a friend who is learning English. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new story. I have a question for you. What is your favorite color to wear? Do you like blue, red, or maybe white? Tell me in the comments below. I love to read your comments and I will reply to you. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.